ishomerere ritwire rine computer munane zikose wabeji renda bito bahati omubaro gwa karamagezi gweyonjire bwe mukutunga izindi computer eskwika 50 kandi zizire nk'obwezi. Leonard ndi omujenyi omunyeshenjero wa Rukiga nuwe aje kiri Minisitiri w'Amakuru Dr. Chris Baryomunsi amukorogo.
Education is the cornerstone of society development, and he says ICT, and especially when it comes to knowledge and skills concerning information, communication and technology.
Kwanza abana abishomero n'abashomesa nibaza kugira computer skills zo kugira ngo baze hakwata computer nabo manye kugikozesa.
Abebembizi b'ICOB bongere bagamba bwakiye nibakora ebi byona.
So this was a continuation of programs that were instituted by the international community of Banyakigezi in 2003. We funded a similar program at the Rukiga Technical Institute in Chamakanda, then at Nyakatare Technical Institute. There we actually supported an electrical and plumbing program.
Leaving a legacy is not only enhancing the education capability. We've realized that the students and youth and everybody in Kigezi definitely, must have that perspective of knowing that you can be a positive change agent.
Bishop God Akanjuna omurebezi wa Kigezi ashabira beji okosa kurungi ebyo ne bahirwe.
Don't get into the ICT and you sit there and you waste time. You can waste time. You can watch, you can look for those that are not examinable.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Job na manya omrukiga.